Hey guys, Laura here. I thought I would show you all the other side of the video I posted about how to change the look of any font, where I was making a wall decal for a friend of mine. And this wall decal is about, I think it's about 3 feet long, if I remember correctly, and 12 inches tall. And what I'm using here is Oracal 631. It's a removable indoor adhesive vinyl, and the color I'm using is called Storm Gray. And basically what I am showing you here is just how I am removing all of the excess vinyl, and then I'm going to show you how I apply my contact paper to keep everything nice and straight with minimal waste. So really simple process here. The application to the wall itself is a little bit trickier just because you want to be using a laser level, and my best tip is to use chalk. So here I'm just cutting the contact paper. I like to cut it down to size, and I just use the grid lines on the contact paper. This is just clear shelf lining contact paper. I pick it up at Target. Nothing fancy. I use this for all of my vinyl transferring. I always have, and it works great. I have no issue with it. And because you guys know that I'm very frugal, I save all of my scraps, and I will actually reuse this piece again and again until it is not sticky enough. So I'm just pulling back part of it here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it to the end of the decal, and this helps me just kind of go little by little and smooth it out so that I can keep the air bubbles and the creasing down to a minimum. I kind of tried to guide the contact paper with both of my hands, kind of pulling with one and pressing with the other. It really just helps everything kind of stay nice and smooth, and I feel like it helps it adhere better. So next you're just going to grab your burnishing tool. In this circumstance I'm using a tongue depressor, but I really prefer to use my Pampered Chef plastic scraper. It works so well. But basically what you want to do is you just want to burnish all pieces of the lettering to your contact paper. It's really important that when you're doing something very detail oriented, like how these T's are crossed with a very thin piece of vinyl, I want to make sure that when I go and transfer this onto the wall, everything is coming with it. So you just kind of want to work little by little and try and get everything to adhere well. Here I'm just pushing the bubbles out once again just to kind of get a smoother surface. You can still see I have a little bubble on the E, but I'm not too worried about that because I'm actually going to be applying this on my customer's wall for them. So there you go, pretty easy. Hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.